Hey guys, I'm Raymond Sampson, award-winning mixologist from New York, based in Atlanta. Today I'm going to be making you guys my take on a Southern old-fashioned. Our choice today is going to be Gentleman's Jack. First, we're going to go with some simple syrup, a little bit of peche combier. That's where we're going to get the peach flavor and that Southern tang. Gentleman's Jack. So this cocktail is very aggressive and old-fashions in general. So this is going to be a nice 2-ounce heavy pour. And since I'm making 2, double up. Aromatic Angostura bitters. Ice. While this is kind of starting its process, I'm gonna go over here and smoke the glasses. Quick stir. Good thing about old fashions, you kind of just let them sit on the ice as they dilute, so you don't have to stir too long. The reason you put the orange around the rim is because you want this person to really get that orange flavor on their fingers, smell it, and everything above, not just taste. And here we are. Cheers. Salud, ladies.
Thank you.
You're welcome.